So in this video, you'll learn how to change the default keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to navigate to Settings, and then from here, you want to scroll and select the option General Management. Under General Management, then look for Keyboard and tap on it. Once you've tapped on it, you should see Default Keyboard. So go ahead and select it, and then you should see all the keyboards that you currently have installed on your Z Fold 7, as well as other options that you can use to switch to. So for example, I'm currently set to Gboard as my default, but if I wish to switch to the Samsung keyboard, all I need to do is just select it like that. And now whenever I bring up the keyboard on my fold, you should see the Samsung keyboard. However, if I want to switch back to the Gboard, I can just go ahead and select it, and now my default keyboard will be the Gboard. And so that is how you can change the default keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.